Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Robilal Tudu. I am learning English just like you. Today's topic is very simple and very important. Why do we want to learn English? Many people ask this question. Why is English? Why not only our mother language? Let's understand this step by step. The first reason is English is a global language. People all over the world speak English. If you go to another country or another state, English help you to talk with people at airports, at hotels, at hospitals, and any public place in other country. English is very useful. So we learn English, connect with the world. The second reason is English help in education. Most of the books are written in English. Many exams are also in English. If you study more and if you want to read new things, English helps you a lot. Online classes, YouTube videos, and many courses are in English. So the English opens door to knowledge. Third reason is English helps in jobs and careers. Many companies needs English speaking people. If you speak English, you get more job opportunities in interviews, in office, and in meetings. English is very important. Good English can give you a better job and better salary. Fourth reason is English gives us confidence. When we speak English, we feel confident. We can share our thoughts. We can express our things. At first, we feel shy. That is normal. But when we practice daily, our fears goes away. English help us to believe in ourselves. Fifth reason is English help in daily life. We use English every day. Mobile phones, computers, apps, and the internet use English words. Movies, songs, and news are also in English. So, English makes our daily life easy and fun. And another reason is anyone can learn English. English is not difficult. You don't need perfect grammar. Start with small sentences. Speak slowly. Make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Practice every day for 5 or 10 minutes. If I can learn English, you can also learn English. So friends, we learn English to connect with people, get knowledge, get good jobs, and build confidence. English is not for showing off. English is for communication. Thank you watching for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you again.